Today we're starting with a new topic called artifacts. Now don't confuse yourself with the artifacts which we were creating till now in the drop location. This is a different artifact which I'm talking about, wherein we'll be managing the dependency of your packages. What do I mean by that? Let me explain you. Now, for building any sort of application, like for Java, we required NuGet, correct? What NuGet was doing, NuGet is nothing but it's a third-party tool wherein all the packages, external packages which is required to build your application is somewhere we are installing from there. Same goes with Java. Java has Maven. If you go with any other application like Angular and all, they got NPM. If you talk about Python, Python got pip. So what exactly these are? These are nothing but these are a third-party location, and there are developers across the world who are constantly developing some packages, and they are uploading the packages into such locations. Now, being a developer, to make your life easier, what you do, you go to these external sites, download those packages, and you utilize it in your application itself. So for very simple example, like if you want to do some mathematical calculation in your application, so you will not go and write the mathematic logic from scratch. There are people across the world who has already written that thing for you. What you do go and import those packages, the logically written by some other developer inside your application, and you start the logic directly using the package. Now this is how the real world works. Mathematical expression, this is I'm just giving one example to you. Okay. Now this is how actually the application development works throughout the globe. Okay. We all are using, it's a big community, and we all are using each and every each and every packages. Like I would have created some packages, I would have uploaded, you would have used it, you would have created some packages, I would have used it. This is how it works. Now the problem arises now where the so this is how the flow is. Now the problem arises when such packages gets updated, like the upgraded, the version got changed, and there are logic there's a drastic change in the logic which will impact your application. First, you don't have control on that, correct? This is written by someone else. Someone in India has written that logic, and you're using your application in US. You have no control on that particular package. That belongs to someone else. Someone else is the owner. They have upgraded. Okay. Now because of that upgrade, your application got impacted. One part. Okay. Second part, it's written by some third party. They have deleted it. They have removed the package from the source. Can you control the removal? No, that doesn't belong to you or your company. Someone else has written, like someone has written it. Now they don't want anymore. Now they deleted it. And your build was dependent. Your application build and everything was completely dependent on that. Can you control that? The answer is no. Suppose the third party NuGet, NPM, the server itself is down. Where those packages are? Can you control the third party server? Answer is no. Now, with all these issues, still we go and download those packages and keep things, we're still using it. How do you handle all these issues over here now? These three issues which I spoke about. How do you handle? We handle these issues by storing all these dependency packages to our own location. Now what we do, we handle all this to our own location, so that in future, if the site is down, or if the package got upgraded, or if the package got deleted, still we have it in our own private location from where we can access and use these packages. This own location is known as artifact. Okay, now the very well-known Artifactory in the market, everyone have heard of Nexus, JFrog, Artifactory. These are what? These are the places where you store your artifacts, you store your packages, you store your dependencies, you make sure the versions are stored, and this is the where you go and upload your packages. You, when required, you consume your packages, you version your packages, and this is your own private location. If the actual source, even though if it gets deleted, removed, upgraded, you still have those packages well stored in your own private feed. We call it as feed. In packages we call it as feed. Okay, what is the benefit of this? Tomorrow if something happens, you can go to your own feed, consume the package, build your application, run your application without any issues. Everyone does this, because if you don't do it, because everyone is using third-party packages from third-party sources, you need to keep those packages secure and safe. If you don't do it, down the line your application will be doomed and it will be a completely waste. Okay, are we good till here? Anyone? Okay, now same goes with like how you have JFrog and everything. We got artifacts over here which does the exact same thing, which will help you create those and keep those packages into a feed over here. Okay, Artifactory. So this is a section artifact. It's very similar to your JFrog, Nexus, and things like that. Okay. Now what we'll do today, there are a couple of things we'll do today. Firstly, we already have multiple pipelines. Like in NuGet, we'll make use of ASP.NET, the previous pipeline. We'll have the packages build and push to this over here. Okay. Now if I go back and show you one more time, where is my build? Let's use this one. Okay. Now if you go and see the logs of your ASP, this is my ASP.NET, the one which we have built initially. We were using NuGet restore, okay, in this, and it was basically restoring from which location, which feed it is using, api.nuget.org. Okay, so my application is dependent upon this NuGet restore. Now if you go to build solution, and if you go and look, all the packages are getting downloaded from nuget.org. Even though I was not using any packages in this application, but still, it's still going. Without this particular restore task, you cannot build your .NET application. As simple as that. So this thing, just imagine if this particular site itself is down, what you will do? Can you do a build? So answer is no. So we'll have to fix this. So what I'll do, I'll create my own artifact. Initially, I'll push the packages. I'll push the packages inside this own feed which I'm creating. Then I'll show you how do we consume the packages from here. Okay. Now let's see the theory part. Azure Artifact is an extension that makes easy to discover, install, and publish NuGet, npm, and Maven packages. It can be deeply integrated. You can integrate it with build so that package management can become seamless part of your existing workflow. So this can be easily integrated with your build pipelines. That is what I'll show you. How do we integrate it? Okay. Using Azure Artifacts, you can create, host, and share packages. We can share code across team. So this can be easily shared across team. Manage all the packages type like npm, Gradle, NuGet, etc. Okay. What are the benefits? Keeping your artifacts organized. Protect your packages with Azure SLA. So as I said, if you have your own private location, your artifacts will be protected, and this is managed by Microsoft itself, providing you 99.99% of SLA. integrate seamlessly. It can be easily integrated with your CI/CD pipelines. This is very important, and that integration we'll see today. Okay, that is what Azure Artifact is all about.
Can we store the artifacts in the in this Azure artifacts, Rohit?
Articraft, can you be very
Whatever,
specific? Yeah,
whatever the Java archives like jar files or war files or zip files. Once we
you
build
can,
it,
yes, you can push it, but this is more for your, like for .NET, it will be more your DLL, your packages. These locations are more. But yeah, for answering to your question, if you want to have those be part of this artifacts, even that is possible. You can push those. But this is not meant for that, to be very specific. This is for managing your packages. Yeah, but answer to your question, if you want to have those zip, jar, war, ER file, which you usually do in Nexus and all, why you do in Nexus? The reason is because you use, just give me 1 minute. You use Jenkins and all, and Jenkins doesn't have drop location like Azure DevOps. Okay, so you push your zip file and everything into Nexus and things and keep it, and then from there onwards you deploy it. Correct. So that's why you push things in Nexus and all. In Azure, we got drop location, we got file share path, and many things wherein you can keep your artifacts. Now, this artifact is basically meant for your packages. Yeah, but answering to your question, can we do it? The answer is yes. You can still store it if you want. It's like a location only, frankly speaking, wherein you keep your packages. It's a different way of doing things. But okay, hope that helps.
yeah, yes, thank you.
Yeah, I'm just creating a feed. So which application it is? Not this feed. Okay, let's create a feed first. So I'm inside my artifact section. Now let's name it. What is the name of the package? Valaxy. Give whatever name you want, guys. DevSecOps. I'll just use the same name. The project name I'm using, this is. Now visibility for Azure Active Directory, for your Mila DevOps organization, or specific people. So I'll keep it for all my organization people. I'll create this. Now I got this created. If I go to the drop down, I have this C, Valaxy DevSecOps created. Now if you want to connect to feed, so this is the artifact location I have created. There's no feed inside it right now. I've not pushed any packages as of now. Now in order to push it, I can go and connect. I can use any of this .NET, NuGet, Visual Studio, NPM, Maven, Gradle, Pep, Twin, Universal packages. Okay. So what I'll stick with for now, I'm not doing anything over here. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll go back to my pipeline. Let's use this pipeline. Now what I'll do, I'll add some additional task to my existing pipeline. This task is nothing but I want to push this existing package to my NuGet. I can use this classic also. I can use this YAML also. Both the ways I can use it. So what I am doing, I'll be using NuGet commands to push the packages to my private feed along with the build. So what I can do, I can use something called NuGet. Now over here, I'll use something called NuGet pack. NuGet pack is like creating packages, guys. Okay. Now this pack command will come just after the restore. So what this will do, this will package, okay, and this will create a NuGet package over here for me. Okay. Now it will have the package created somewhere over here. Now, if you want to enable versioning, you can go and do enable versioning. I'm not doing that for now. So I got this NuGet package command along with my NuGet installer, which was there previously, NuGet restore, which is restoring my this, and then I got NuGet pack, then the build, then copy and push. This is what we were doing earlier. The only thing I've added is NuGet pack, which is packaging. Now, once the package is done, I'll have one more command, NuGet push. After the pack, I got something called push. Now, if you see this, what exactly it is pushing? It is pushing all dot NUPKG. NUPKG is NuGet packages. That is the extension of file extension. And it is not, what do you see? Not, this exclamation sign is not pushing symbol. These are extra files which we don't require. The only thing we is required is the package file. Okay. What is my target feed? It is asking you target feed. Where exactly do you want to push it? So we got our own feed, correct? Now, this is something we have created. Valaxy DevSecOps _1. Do you want to allow duplicates? If you click on it, it will also have duplicate values. If you uncheck it, it will not have duplicate values. Do you want detailed version? All these additional things are there. Now this will come after your build. This push will come after your build. Even this pack should come after your build, basically. No, package should happen not before the build. So packaging your solution, then pushing your solution to your own private feed. Okay, are we good till here? Anyone, any question, any doubt? What exactly we are doing? No
So
question?
can we add all of these in our YAML file?
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
This is very easy. The way you have added over here is the same way
Yeah.
you will add in the YAML also using the
Yeah, that's
assist.
what I'm asking because it's almost the same thing the way we added the other
Correct,
ones. All right.
correct, perfect. Now let me go and save it and push. Now let's see what happens. Okay, I just saved the task. I got 2 more tasks added. Now I'm just pushing it to my own private feed. NuGet pack command has failed. Unable to find. Okay. My wait. The package will not happen before the build, guys. So that task needs to be moved after the build. The package needs to be built at least once before you want to go. So now what did I do? I just moved the build above and I kept the package and pushed together. Okay, let's see. Let's wait while this pipeline is running. build is running right now. Let me refresh this. The NuGet pack has already failed again. This time, what is the error? Give me one quick minute. Perfect. Okay, what is the error? NuGet command failed with exit code. Let's see in this mode. Unable to find DLL. Make sure project has been built. The project is built. Which DLL it is looking for? It is looking for DevOps. What is the name of my project which is getting built? My project is this, Valaxy DevSecOps. Two different projects. Very good. This is how you debug, guys. Okay. Now I got multiple errors over here. Now the first error is the command shows the NuGet command failed with exit code. Firstly, it is not able to find this project and is looking for some project called DevOps webapps.dll. Okay. Make sure the project is built. Now, if you go and look, this my build, this is the project which I'm building. This is my actual application. So that means there are two different applications, correct? If you go to check your repository, which one is it? This one. I got two applications, Valaxy and DevOps. So my package command is looking for this application, that which is incorrect. Okay. So this is how you debug, check logs, try and understand what exactly the issue is, then come and fix it by yourself. You can come and select the proj file directly over here. This is the proj file it is looking for. This is how you do things. Okay, make sure go through each and everything, understand the error, then come to a conclusion like what exactly the error is. This will take you in the long run. In companies, things will fail. Hey, why? It will not be an easy cakewalk. So understand the error, try and understand what could be wrong. Try and debug by yourself. See how it goes. And if not, then we got community. You can share your queries. We can surely help you out. Okay, but always try beforehand. Even look for the error in the Google. But this error was very understandable. There could be a scenario where you don't understand the error, what exactly the error is. Try to Google it. Definitely you'll get some idea. Not a direct idea, but some idea you will definitely get it from there. Okay, so what did we do? I've just given the right application name. Now, let's wait. Now, this is the first things and pushing into my own private feed. The second stage wherein I'll show you how do we consume it. Now again it failed. What is this error? System invalid NuGet command cast object to type system to type NuGet framework. This is now a framework error. Okay, now this is seems to be some version issue. Just give me 1 minute. Unable to cast system.string to type NuGet framework. This looks some issues with the version. Invalid cars, invalid cars object stream. Something issue with the NuGet framework. This is weird. Wait, which version of task are we using? 4.4.4. NuGet 4.0.0. This is NuGet version issues, guys. Okay. Let me see previously which versions we have used. Because your NuGet version and your application version should support each other. And if there's any mismatch, now because we are using the latest NuGet, that could be possibly the issue. Wait, let me see which NuGet version we were using previously. Did I do pull push over here? No. Did we do it over here? No. Mm, hmm. NuGet installer, which version it's getting installed? We'll have to see the logs. 6.3.1, and this is the older one we're using over here. Okay, let's go and use a 6.3.1. 6.3.1. Are we sure with the version? 6.3.1 x64. Perfect. Save it and queue it. So I'm getting some .NET framework version issues, guys. The casting error was more like version issue. So I'm just using the latest 6.3.1. Let's see. And this time we are using NuGet 6.3.1. Okay, so it got the latest NuGet now. Detected version 6.3.1.1. Hopefully my build should not fail now. See, this package thing has worked now. Understood? This is how now this push thing has failed. Great. Now the package part was done. Now the package was successfully created. Successfully created your NuGet packages. Now your push. What is wrong with your push? Package failed to push. Okay. Why? Unexpected error while trying to push the package. Lack permission to complete this action. You need to add package. Lack permission. This is now permission issues. Which package is this guy is trying to push? Adding package to Valaxy DevOps NuGet. This package is trying to add to this feed. Which feed are we using? Oh, this is permission issues. Great, good. Push. Did we not give complete permission to all the pipelines? It's given Mela DevOps project administrator. It's all getting inherited from this collection administrator. DevSecOps 1. Even this person is the owner. There's no issue with the permission. If you see this, this is my project DevSecOps, and we are the project administrators. So there's no issue with the permission. Definitely no permission issue. Then why this permission error? Trying to add package to the feed, then user lack permission to complete this action. You need to have add package. User lack permission. I'm the owner guy. How can I lack permission? Get. I know where I'm lacking right now. Wait. We need to be very specific what packages which we are down. This is all happening because I got a couple of applications, guys. So DevSecOps, I need to have this part. Dot new. Let me think. Push. Target feed. This is the feed. Where exactly it's trying to push things into which feed? Let's check that also. To this feed. Is it going to the right source? Because we got multiple feeds over here. I got this also. Let me delete this one first. And let's have only one. Okay, this looks good. Let's have it, run it again, because I don't see any issues right now. There is no permission issues for sure. Let's try and run it again. No permission issues for sure, but I don't know why it's failing. We are showing permission issues, and the person who is running this particular build is the owner. So definitely not a permission issue. We are the owner of this project. It's building solution. The build solution requires only once, guys. If you have the latest build, your package will not fail after this. Now, let me see this again. Again, the issue. Adding feed, same issue. Lack permissions. It is trying to execute this command, NuGet execute package source access token not interactive. Let me create a new feed, guys. There's some issues with this feed which we have created, it seems. Let's delete this. Let go and permanently delete everything. Let's create a new feed altogether. Create feed. Let's name it as, let's give some unique name. Well dev secops -1. Okay. Members of Mela DevOps, visibility, upstream, project. Let me give it at organizer scope. Now let me set the scope at organization level. Last time we set the scope only at the Valaxy DevSecOps. Let me show it at my organization level so that everyone in my organization can use it. Okay, now we do have this one now. Let's go to the pipeline again. Let's go to the push again. Refresh this. Now this time selected target feed. Okay, automatically it got selected. Or I can just have this one selected. Well DevSecOps. Save a QA. Now the system is shown not free. Now the scope I have changed. The only thing I have changed from the project level, I have changed the scope to organization level so that anyone can in the organization can use it. If through Classic it's not happening, we'll do it through YAML after this. So my packages are getting created. The final DLL file which needs in ASP.NET, that is getting created. The only thing when we're trying to push it to our own private feed, it's failing with some permission issue. And definitely it should not be a permission issue because I'm not an user or something. I'm the owner of this system. How do you check if if you are the owner? You can simply go to your project, go to project settings. Now if I come down, you can see who is the administrator, Mela DevOps. That is what the ID I'm using right now. So surely not an issue with my access. Package is getting created again. Push is again. Push failed again. Could not create. It's a different error now. You need to have read package permission now. Wait guys, let me try it quickly with YAML. This is what? Okay, we have added Sonarchy over here. Let me quickly create a new pipeline. Okay, it's my new pipeline. Now let me add NuGet task. Pack proj file. So I'll have to have the complete location given because if I don't give it, I get the same error over here. Let's give before the build. When this is done, I can have NuGet push command, push. I want to have this into my own feed, which is this one. Allow duplicates, advance, does nothing. Testing I don't want. Done. This is my own feed where I'm pushing the things. Okay. I got the package, I got the push. Let me think if I'm missing anything. Yeah, I could have missed the NuGet installer. So NuGet installer, we need a specific version, correct? Because the version which NuGet is using, it's not working for me. You can have 6.3.1. Okay, 6.3.1. Ready? I got the NuGet install, NuGet command. I got the package task. Versioning is off for now. And then I got my feed where my things are running. Done. What is the name of this pipeline? Valaxy web app. Okay, let's see. Okay, while we are seeing this, last time, if I remember it right, we had issues with SonarQube pipeline not failing, correct? So guys, that issue was very minor. There were two additional properties which were needed. So I've shared those properties with you guys. Let me show you. Now, if you see this pipeline has failed, I'll show you the reason why this pipeline has failed last time. Where is the error? Build failed. Now the reason why the build is failed just because the publish was failed. If I go up somewhere, if you see this failed to execute the goal, sonar source scanner. Okay, your quality gate status failed. Now the quality gate status, because the quality gate status has failed, this build has failed. Okay, so this was well tested. Now this is all because there was two properties in the pipeline which were missing. These are the additional properties which I've added. Sonar quality gate wait true, sonar quality gate timeout. So this wait was basically checking if the result of your quality gate is successful or failed. If it is successful or failed, based on that, it will fail your pipeline. Now this is not needed. The additional things which we have added of sonar break, that was not needed in this latest version of SonarQube. Okay, so hence this properties, this line basically, this timeout is okay. This line is basically doing the magic. If so, this was when the build has failed, and initially when I have disabled the default quality gate, the build was successful. Now even this has failed. We'll see that later. Now initially when, if you see this was successful because I have removed all those gates. Now if you go in to see in Maven, there was no issue. The build and everything was successful. Build successful, published test result, published test coverage, everything was published. Okay, now this is all thanks to those quality extra properties which we have added. Okay, I hope did anyone try integrating SonarQube with Java? No one? How many do we have? 9. No one tried, guys? Josh, Bala, Kenneth.
We're about to try, but we're stuck somewhere where our Maven pump file failed. It says he couldn't see the path, so I don't know why.
I think you have spoken with me, Kenneth, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, your issue is you have your zip file. That's okay. We'll see it later. No worries.
Mm.
Okay, so just try it by yourself because this is the see. Even my artifact thing is so many errors we are getting right now. Now this is again. What is this error? Let's go and see the error. Unable to find .dll. Make sure the project is built. Okay. Now this is this. Did I add again the same mistake? We have added the package before the build. The pack command before the build. This is something we don't want. This should be after the build because the DLL will be created once the build is successful. But the pipelines triggered. This is because you have the trigger set up on those folders. That's why. I've cancelled it. I just kept it this build. Now let's see. Still waiting. This got cancelled. Cancel. It's running. Let's wait and see. That's why I always say because this time in YAML, if you see, we don't understand what exactly the task is running right now. All this NuGet command. Always use display name. Whenever you're writing YAML, always use display name so that we come to know exactly where, what stage, and where exactly my pipeline is running. Now with this NuGet command, I don't know what's happening. With this NuGet command, no, I don't know what will happen. If I have the display name like NuGet push or something like that, easily we can identify what's happening. Okay, now this has failed already, I believe. Now where it failed, again the package thing it failed. Lack permission, again lack permission. Let me see what permission it is lacking. Okay, I'm just giving permission again. This was not required. Still, I'm giving permissions again. It's already there. Still, I'm giving, guys. This was not required before. I don't know what has changed. So what did I do? I went ahead and gave permission on this feed to this guy Mela DevOps again, who is already an owner. Still, I'm giving the permissions. Okay. Now let me see if I give this, if that works. Okay. So I went ahead, purposely gave all the permissions, the owner, the maximum permission I gave to this feed now. Now let's see if that helps. The display name, what I was talking about, going back, adding display name. Basically, you can just add display name over here. You can tell what exactly this command is. This is basically we're doing NuGet restore. So we can give something like this. If you do this way, what will happen? Just leaving it for now. So when the pipeline is getting executed, you will get those names over here. Okay, so it's always a good practice to give display names. Now let's wait again. Failed again. This time we gave all the permissions. Now let's see what is the error. Trying to authenticate the auth token lack permission again. Need to have read packages. Did I create some multiple users over here? I have only one user, correct? Mela DevOps, the admin. Weird. Hmm. Let's try for the last time. If not, I may have to look into it and debug things from scratch. Can it after this just share your screen and show me where exactly you're facing the Maven issue? Okay, if you're
Okay.
logged in. The error is very unknown, guys. So this is something I need to go back and see it again from scratch. I need to push. I'll try to push package and things from my local system now, because from Azure DevOps, I'm getting permission issue which I should not get at the first place, because I'm not any user. I'm the owner of this Azure DevOps, and suddenly I'm getting access issue over here. I'm not sure why exactly, but still let's see again the issue. Okay, I'll have to debug this. Don't worry, we'll continue with the same topic today. So the only thing was my packages are getting created now. Package, I'm not able to push my packages to my artifact with some weird access issue, which is not acceptable, because I'm the owner of this particular feed. I have created this feed just now, and I don't know why I'm getting this feed issue. That is something I need to go and debug. Okay. So we'll continue. I'll see how what exactly went wrong over here. Why I'm not able to push it. Then later, once I'm able to push, then I can possibly show you how do we consume those packages. Okay. Don't worry. I'll show you all the debugging steps what I have taken in order to get this working. Okay. So Kenneth, you can just that's it for me. If anyone has any question, you can let me know, or else we can give it to Kenneth. Kenneth has some issues with the pipeline. Okay. Yeah, Kenneth, if you want to share it, please let me give you share permission.
Okay.
Let me stop sharing first. Okay, I made you the presenter. You can share. And this is how you will be facing challenges, guys, with Azure DevOps. Things keeps changing, the new versions keeps updating, so you'll have to be very sure what you're doing. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Share your screen.
Yeah, can you see my screen?
Yep. Tell me. Okay. Show me the error. Yeah. Not found. Your Maven files are not found. We can see the error from here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can just go and show me the repo, your repository. Go at the top.
Mm.
Repos. Yeah. Repos. Okay. In your repos, I don't see anything. There's no file, no project.
Um,
Do you have any other branches? Show me other branches. Go to
that's.
branching.
Mm, let me go back. Hold on. Sorry.
Branches. Go to main. Show me main. Main doesn't have anything. Just switch to master. Show me master if master has anything.
I think I have a master.
Yeah. Go back to master. No, even
It's
master.
only this.
There's no project, Kenneth.
Um. So what is the? Because I
Go to
thought
your
this
local.
zip file, this YAML file, is a project.
No, YAML file is not the project. You will need Java project. So remember, I've shared the source folder as zip file with you guys on WhatsApp. Show me your local
Okay.
where you
So,
have
but
the
what
file.
I did was, yeah, I know that you share us that one, but I didn't actually follow the process of the zip file you have. I did have it from your YouTube because I was following the process of your YouTube. So I got this file from your repo, your own remote repo from your
No, no,
GitLab. That's why I got this.
no,
And
don't follow the YouTube. YouTube has a different sequence. Come back, show me your zip file which I've shared on the WhatsApp. Do you have it on your local system?
I don't have it. Haji can show us because she has, because we're working together. But I was using this process while she was using the other one, but we still have the same error. So we're
Yeah,
just trying to do both.
let me share my screen. So,
Yeah.
Okay, who is sharing? Nirupa, correct?
Haji.
Haji. So we're
Had-
doing both, but we still have the same error. So she was using the zip while I was using this.
I was the one that having zip issue earlier.
Yeah, Ji, you can just share your screen.
Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay. So this is my repo.
No, even in your repo, you don't have any files. There's no
So
project in your repo. Change your branches. Show me other branch. No, there's no branch. Okay, so in your case, there's nothing. Let's see. Show me your zip file where your zip file is.
so I had them here. Can you see it here?
Yeah, I can see that. Now, just unzip it because I don't see it is unzipped right now.
No, I
Yeah.
had it as unzip. I had it here.
Yeah,
I had
good. These are the files required. Now, where is your repository? Did you clone the repository on your local?
in my
Okay, do
loop.
one thing. Yeah, clone it again. Go back to your Azure DevOps. Yeah, click on clone, the clone button. Right hand side top down corner. You see right hand side, come down. You see
Yeah,
this
yeah.
clone.
I have this thing showing here, so I'm trying to. Okay. So clone.
Copy that.
Mhm.
Come to your desktop on your local desktop.
Okay.
Desktop. You're not in desktop. Don't close this window. Keep this window open. I want just minimize this. Come to your desktop. Yeah, minimize everything. Yeah, right click on your desktop. Right click.
Mhm.
See git bash here. Git bash.
Okay.
And now run the command git clone, git space clone, and paste whatever you have copied. Paste. Third option. Enter.
Let me remove this thing.
Yeah. Yeah. Very good. Okay, now there's a folder. Minimize this window, the black screen. There's a folder got created now. Minimize.
Okay.
Do you see this Java folder? Open that folder. Now go to the previous folder where you have unzipped your files, copy both the files and keep it in this folder. Don't close this, okay?
Okay.
Go to your previous folder. No. Go back, go to the bottom, you'll see the folders. Yeah, go to the previous folder.
First one, Aji.
Um,
Go back to folder and then choose the first one.
that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, copy this files, copy both. And
Oops.
no, don't copy over here. Do Control Z now. One more time, Control Z. Okay, that's okay. Just copy the first folder and the POM file and keep it in the Git folder. It's okay. That's okay. Let it be. Copy the first and the last folder.
Okay.
Not this one. Not this one. You're copying the wrong file.
Oh,
The
that
first one.
one.
Yeah, first and the last one. Copy one at a time. That's okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Come to this. Yeah.
Oh,
Put it away.
Minimize.
Maximize it. Maximize it. It's a small window. Maximize it.
put
Yeah.
it here, right?
Double click over here.
Okay.
Paste. Yeah. Now copy the other one also.
The POM file, right?
Yeah, POM I
No,
already copied. Copy the source folder now.
Okay.
Copy. Got copied.
Yeah.
Very good. Now go to the black screen, the one which is there at the bottom.
The black.
The gate screen. The
Okay.
gate.
Yeah. Okay.
Do a git add. Git add space dot. No, do a git commit.
No, I
Wait.
say
No, you have to go inside the folder. Do a cd space Java. What is the folder name? Java. Do a tab. Automatically it will go. No,
you said
just write Java and do a tab. Yeah, do tab on your keyboard. Yeah,
okay.
and enter. Now do a git add. Do a commit. Git commit. Yeah.
Is
Yeah, write anything. It's okay.
huh?
Write anything. It's okay.
Um, Java.
That's okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's
enter.
fine.
Yeah, that's fine. Enter.
I say no fine.
Yeah, your git spelling is missed. Just see.
Oh, get comment. Then git push.
Yeah, perfect. Now you have your files. After doing this, you will have your files. Then you can do your build. Without project, you cannot build your pipelines. Make sense? This is the same issue you are having, Kenneth.
Okay.
Okay, guys? Try
So
it by
now
yourself.
that so now
Yeah.
that we push, what is next? Because the issue we're having is with the Maven.
No. The Maven issue was there was no POM file. Now you got your POM file.
Alpha.
If you go and see your repository, you will have your POM file. You can run your build now. There's no issue.
Yeah.
Firstly, you didn't have any project only at first place to build. Okay, now if you go
Like
and try,
it means that we did not push our POM file across to the remote. That's why I wasn't seeing it.
correct. So you didn't have the POM file in the first place. Now you can try, run your build, create your build again. Okay. Okay. Now if you see, you got your POM and everything.
Yeah,
Okay.
I see that. So now go back and
Try running. Wait. There's some error. Show me the error.
uh okay.
Click on it. Show me the error.
It says
Yeah.
build file.
Yeah. Just click on that. What this build is.
Oh gosh.
The recycle package.
You must specify a valid lifecycle phase. So even your YAML has some issues now. Go to pipeline and edit your YAML. Show me what exactly you have written inside it. Now go to your first edit, right inside top corner. What you have written. Okay, you have just copy pasted what I have given to you guys, correct? Okay, do one thing.
Do what?
No, wait. Let me think. It looks good. Go up, go at the top. Yeah, run it again. Just run it again. Yeah, run. Yeah, click on jobs and show me. Failed.
No.
Go to Maven. Go to this Maven thing. Lifecycle phase package. You must specify valid lifecycle phase.
For more
No
information
result.
about the error, possible solution, follow, copy.
Okay. Go to pipelines again. Let's add the task again. Go to your task pipeline.
This one, right?
Yeah, go to that pipeline. Yeah, edit.
Uh
Right inside three dots, you see there's the option of edit.
okay.
Click edit pipeline. Okay, remove this first task Maven 3. Remove everything completely. From line 8 till line 17, remove everything.
Oh, to 17?
Yeah, remove everything. Wait, remove. Okay, go back to this task search box and look for Maven.
Uh which
Yeah,
task?
right inside, right. Do you see there's a task search task at the right hand side? Search for Maven at the top. Yeah, select the first option. Yeah, scroll down. Yeah, good. Now click on left hand side and add this task. Click on 8 first.
Okay.
Now add this task.
Click on
Click on
add
add.
here.
Mhm.
Okay, save it and run it again.
Yeah, run.
Yeah, it's running. Go to pipelines now. No, don't run. Go to
Okay.
pipelines. It might be running now automatically.
So go to pipeline here.
See
New
the first
pipeline.
task. No, it's running already. See
It's
the first
running.
task.
Click on it.
Oh, okay.
Click. Let me see the logs. Go to jobs. Now it's running now. If you see, your build is running.
Yeah, it passed.
So there's some issues with your, firstly, you didn't have the project. Secondly, the YAML, you were using the wrong Maven version. That's why the Maven was failing. Okay, now just, and there's no issue. Same thing with you, Kenneth. Follow
Yeah,
the same
sure.
process and even
Alrighty.
your, okay,
Yeah,
Thank you.
thanks.
no problem. Bye. We'll see you tomorrow and we'll get to the artifact section. See, your
All right.
build is successful, your pipeline is successful now. Okay,
Thank you.
All right. Thanks.
no problem. Bye.